Welcome back to another show and tell video. Today we're taking a look at an example of an Enfield bayonet, and this is a blade version. So this is not the spike, single spike, or the cruciform style of spike. This is actually a blade. And from what I could research on this, this is a number 9 Mark 1 model, possibly. And based on the markings, if we turn it over on this side, you can see here, number 9 Mark 1, P.O.F, which stands for Pakistan Ordnance Factory, and 57, which I believe stands for 1957. So this is that production run from Pakistan. So it has the same profile as the British version. So you can see here the sheath with the securing area so that you can actually secure this in your equipment and or in a frog. And trying to see if there's any other markings on here. I don't think so. So we'll set this down real quick. And you can see here the blade itself. And this being for the Enfield, you can see here there is no actual knife handle. This is purely for attachment as a bayonet form. So you can see also here some of the proofing marks on here as well, and a serial number. And you can see some of the grooves closer to the top edge, ground on both sides, and comes to this kind of hook point. You can see here the attachment area. This would slip onto the barrel end like so, and then would twist into place and cam onto lugs on the barrel itself. And to release, you would press this button, which you can see here slides this cam lock, which would allow the camming points on the barrel to rotate, and then, or allow this to rotate on the barrel, camming points, and then slide off. So, quick look at an Enfield, or as I say, Lee Enfield. This one being a number 9 Mark 1 blade style of bayonet, and this could fit onto, I believe, the number 4 rifles, whether it be Mark 1 or 2, with this end barrel attachment point. So, quick show and tell video. Feel free to check out other show and tell videos on vintage milsurp tools and expanded topics. We also do unboxing videos, as well as a series of book review, media reviews, and a series called Curios for the Curious, videos from our artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.